back to another Saturday of transforming our 70s home into a dream suburban homestead. Unfortunately, we are shopping again today. We had a really good chat this morning planning the lighting and the ceiling fans and the switches and all the tasty electrical things. Danny, did it bring you joy to have a conversation about real electricals?
It did. My head feels calmer and cleaner now.
It's all about making Danny happy, of course.
Absolutely.
So we're on our way out to a couple of lighting stores. We need to buy, did you say 22 downlights?
20.
20 downlights, and we also need to find 2 ceiling fans that we like. I did not know that you could spend $800 on a ceiling fan. Hoping that we don't do that. Is that a financial approval for $800?
No.
That was a no. So we'll see what happens, and hopefully you can have another successful sourcing day today. And if we don't, Danny, will you take me for a coffee?
Absolutely.
Sweet treat?
Yeah, go for a sweet treat if you like.
Yeah, that's a sweet treat. Alright, roll the tape of the lighting conversation. Danny said to roll VT. The fuck is that?
Roll videotape. That's what they used to say back in the day. They used to cut to like another video that's already pre-recorded, like roll VT.
Okay, I didn't know that one.
Yeah, show my age.
We need to go buy some lights. Why?
Okay, so the problem we have is because we have a very shallow roof space, because no one can get into the roof space if there was a ceiling up, they put all the ductwork in first, and then we need to then sheet the ceiling so they can come back and finish off. Before we do that, I need to know where all the lights are going to go, all the pendants are going to go, where the fans are going to go, so I get all my cables in ready before we put the insulation and the ceiling up, because once the ceiling's in, it's pretty much game over.
Fact. Which means that I have to make design decisions that I haven't really prepared for. Like, conceptually, we know how this is going to lay out, but like the actual exact details, I hadn't quite got to yet.
Yeah. So this is the kitchen area, so you have an L-shaped kitchen. The cooker's going to be here, range hood, sink. Sink will be there, dishwasher, fridge. So along this L section, we're going to have 2 downlights here to light up the cabinets, and then we'll have 2 here, and then our island bench is going to go here, so we'll have 2 pendants dropping down for the island bench.
Next? Oh, we're going to have a whole bunch of switches here, hey. Like,
Yeah.
this is the benefit of having an electrician in the household, because then you can do all this extra wiring and I don't have to worry about how much it's going to cost. So you can have all these like switches that flick all the different stuff off from multiple locations.
Yeah.
It's actually really convenient for getting around, because we're not going to have smart switches. Everything's going to be a manual switch except for the air conditioning.
Well, not yet.
We'll talk about that later. There's just no cute smart switches.
There's already cables in this wall here for 2 sconces. So we have an AC duct there and an AC duct there. The TV go on there. We'll have 2 lights here somewhere, just down lights. Or 1 here somewhere. We'll have a fan around here somewhere, and the rest of the lighting will be either maybe some undershelf lighting or whatever, or lamps even. We're not big light people, are we?
No, we like little lights. So we spend a lot of time looking at like recessed down lights, so that it's a bit of a softer functional light even when we need a big light. Anything else? Or should we have a shower, get changed and head out to the shop?
Yeah, let's do that.
Actually, when we're out today, we'll buy some sample pots. So in this episode, but probably tomorrow, you'll see the sample colours going into the bedroom wall. So stick around for that. Watch the end of the video so you see our sample colours. Alright, we'll see you in the car. We got the goods. We've got like 14 down lights. in there, and we got a fan, and we got a trade price, which I'm very happy about. So now we can really go get that sweet treat. Got a Bunnings list.
Yep, Bunnings next.
To the Bunnings toilet. Sausage. I wonder if there's a charging station here. Feels like that kind of place, hey? We chose a really cool colour for the bedroom walls. Subscribe to see what it is. Tutorial time with Danny.
Alright, so we just got back from visiting a couple of lighting shops. Just to explain what I meant with the downlights before. So this is what they call like a pancake type. So you see the light's very flush. So when it's in the ceiling, it's almost flat, and that creates a very glary sort of light distribution. Even when you're not looking directly at it, you know, it looks harsh. So we went and got these downlights, which are actually recessed into the downlight, so you don't actually see the actual LEDs quite far back in there. So unless you actually stood underneath it staring into it, it's actually not glary, and it should give a nice soft beam angle. So we've got those for the bedrooms and the living room. And then for the hallway, we went for this gimbal style one. So it's quite flush, but what we're going to do is have it so it bounces off the wall. So in the hallway we'll have one lighting up this wall, a bit further back we'll have one lighting up the other, so the lights kind of bounce off the wall and zigzag up the hallway, which I think will look quite nice. So yeah, just what I mean about recessed downlights and indirect lighting.
I just learned some devastating information. I thought that we could get the air con ducts installed before needing to plaster or paint the ceilings. I thought we just had to put the gyprock up, and then I would be able to plaster and paint in beautiful 23-degree temperatures. The boss has just informed me and kindly explained with props why that's not the case. So it's not even full summer yet, and I am sweating. Just doing a patch on the ceiling. So we might be doing some night work with plastering and painting to get through, so that you don't have to see us in Australian summer heat with no air conditioning and no fans. Look how cute our wall colour is though. Well, the potential wall colour. Caramel Sunday. Had a very clever friend help me try and pick out the shortlist for this that then Danny agreed with. And she also had a very good idea to do sample patches on multiple walls, because she was like, oh, paint changes colour depending on the light, like location and light in a room, and then also depending on what other colours are around it. I've got to order our Manchester. There's a lot to do.
Wild child, I can't get you off my mind. You're in there almost all the time. Now I'm losing the game.
I just opened the window. Somebody's barbecuing. It smells so good. Okay, I don't think that I like the wall colour by itself, this Caramel Sunday. It looks a little bit too like poo orange when I put it on the wall. So I'm going to try and do some science. I'm going to dilute with white and see how we go. So I've got the coffee scales. How much do I need though? Oh god, this is such a mess. Why can I not do things right when I'm painting and pretend that didn't happen? Alright, so this is 50-50. Let's put some of this on the wall. I think maybe the 50-50 is too light. So I'm going to try doing 2 parts Caramel Sunday and 1 part white. Right. Tell me in the comments below which one you prefer. I don't know yet. We might have to wait till they dry. What are you working on?
Looking at obviously one on film.
So I'm painting doors, yeah. Are you having a good time though?
No.
Oh.
Or when it's done. It's something I've been putting off for a while, but I just don't want this one could be on the internet.
How long do you have until you want to come in and decide on the wall colour?
I can do it now.
Oh yeah. It definitely looks much better now that it's dried. It's much more brown rather than like orange poo.
Yeah. Because that one in the corner looks really nice.
It's crazy how it can be so different in different lights. If we didn't go with this one, I'd go with the two-thirds. I don't mind it like that.
The 2/3 is going a bit more towards a clay.
Rather than like an earthy.
Yeah.
I'm willing to give it a go.
So this colour, this is really nice. I think this might give us a bit of more true reflection.
Alright, so we'll go full caramel sundae and off at half. Sweet. Thank you.
Well done.
I've got 2 more doors, 1 coat, and then everything will be done 2 coats. They're coming out really nicely, hey? Thank you for your consult. Just like that, another weekend over. Did you have fun this weekend, Danny?
I did, actually, yeah.
Good. Nice. See you soon. Glary. Oh, do you know what the save button on like Microsoft actually is?
Floppy disk.
Yeah.
Because you had the...
Because we're definitely like surface dumping people. Show me your honkers.
How's my hair look?
You look cute. I do you.